Yeah, if you can take that off for me. I just it's where I stick my, yeah. Oh, there it's gone. All right. Wipers off.
Yeah. Aquí. No. Más. Ahí. Sácalo, sácalo. No, dame, dame tu pito. Y échala. Sí. Espérame. El otro.
Wow, that's a nice tool.
Dale rápido. Más.
So you actually have the tint on your shop? On here in Antioch? And you said should specify.
Walnut Creek.
Oh, Walnut Creek.
Just like the Bible.
Mm.
Saca otra también. I'll show that video to no one, boss. You see right there, it's starting to get cut.
Yeah.
Right here is bad.
Oh.
You need to get the washer.
Oh.
See?
Is it flat or the lock washer?
They're curved. This is not good. Put it back like this.
Oh, they don't have.
These are gonna break. I promise you. Washer is a special washer. You have to go to Ford
Oh, really?
and tell them I need the washer because it's not supposed to be like that. Whoever did this last time, they throw them away.
The wipers. No, the wipe. No, these wipers.
I don't think they take it off to change the wipe. Maybe they do. I don't know. But on this one, you're supposed to have a washer here, and then the nut.
Oh.
That.
No.
I go to the dealer and say, "Hey, I need 2 washers for the wiper blade."
All right. They're not okay. They're special washers.
Yeah.
I can buy them like
No,
from.
they're not flat. They're
They're not
curved.
flat. Oh. It has to be Ford's
Yeah,
washers.
it has to be Ford because they're spec'd out.
Thanks for letting me know. I wouldn't have known.
No, I know.
Because if I just stick this directly, it comes off all the while because of the heat. So I just put that just as, just as an insulation to heat, and then it doesn't pop off very often.
Here. One right here or here.
Yeah,
You
just
tell me.
okay, just by the border. Up.
You let it dry for 3 minutes, boss.
Okay.
3 minutes. We're
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right, boss.
Oh, nice.
Right here.
Yeah, by the border.
You wait 1 hour,
Yeah.
and that's
Before I
it.
attach
You never
it.
come out. Because you
I'll
want to
wait.
move it, you move it now. That's it.
Oh, can you move it a little more to the down to the border here? Yeah, a little bit lower. Yeah, this is the bit. Yeah.
Want lower?
No.
To the border?
Yeah.
We don't want it to fall. It shouldn't fall. This
Yeah.
is 30-minute glue, but
I let it dry for about an
you
hour.
let it
An
dry
hour.
for an hour.
Yeah, okay, it's coming in.
All right there.
Yeah, a little lower. Can you?
Yep.
A little lower to the left. Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. Where it is.
Right there.
Yeah.
All right, like I said, give them an hour. They ain't never gonna
Okay.
come out. No, ya lo sé.